Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. We have attended many of the questions from the sample paper 2023. We will do some more. By now we understand that some of the questions are a little tough. If you have not practiced properly throughout the year, and some of the questions are a bit lengthy to look. But when you finally try to answer, the solution comes out very easily. So do not get scared if you haven't practiced really well throughout the year. I'll be attempting more questions from the practice paper. We will solve it together. But for that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Srisiddhi Academics. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with question number 30. Question number 30 is from trigonometry. Let's first try simplifying this left-hand side. So I'll write the left-hand side expression first. Left-hand side expression first. Cos 4x minus sin 4x divided by 1 minus tan x. Now, if you look properly, cos 4x minus sin 4x, isn't it almost like a square minus b square, where a minus b multiplied with a plus b, we can break a square minus b square into this. Now, can our a be not equal to let's say cos square x and b be equal to sin square x? तो हो जाएगा, अगर a हम cos square x ले लें तो यहाँ पर हमें क्या लिख सकती हूँ, cos square x minus sin square x, जो कि a है और b है sin square x. तो a minus b, मैंने ये वाला टर्म पहले लिख लिया. Now I will write a plus b. तो क्या होगा वो, cos square x plus sin square x. See, when in trigonometric questions you are not able to understand how to start, try breaking all this whatever is given into sin x and cos x, okay, and then try to either take it towards the right hand side, whatever is there in the right hand side, you reach from the left hand side to that, or otherwise leave it at the most simplified level, left hand side, also bring the right hand side to the same level, both make them equal, that expression here and here both simplified come to be equal, तो भी solve होता है. There are two ways. So let's see. अब हम break करते हैं. ये क्या होगा? Tan x we know is sin x by cos x, right? So ऊपर कहा क्या है? Cos square x minus sin square x. अब cos square x plus sin square x क्या है? We know according to the trigonometry theorem it's 1. So multiplied by 1. नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. But still I'm writing just for anybody who's watching, for that person to be clear. तो ये मैंने उसका फ्रैक्शन जैसे कर लिया, ओके, ये भी हो गया. ऊपर का देखते हैं क्या है. ऊपर है cos square x minus sin square x. इसको अगेन हम कर सकते हैं cos x minus sin x multiplied with cos x plus sin x, राइट, ये कर सकते हैं हम. नीचे cos x minus sin x by cos x है in the denominator. So ये जो cos x minus sin x है, ये denominator numerator से we can cancel it out because it is common. So what are we left with? Cos x plus sin x by 1 by cos x, right? अभी divided by 1 by cos x है, मतलब ये numerator में आ जाएगा. If I multiply, the reciprocal इसका होगा, then reciprocal will get multiplied in the numerator. So it will become cos x multiplied with cos x plus sin x, right? Now let's break this right hand side into similar expression, right? So let's start with the right hand side. Cot x plus 1 by sec x cosec x. यहाँ पर again we will do that. We will break it down to cos x and sin x. Let's break it down. Cos x by sin x plus 1, और sec x क्या है? 1 by cos x है, और cosec क्या है? 1 by sin x है, right? Now ये जो है मैं राइट हैंड साइड सिंप्लीफाई करके इसलिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इसलिए सिंप्लीफाई करके छोड़ रही हूँ बिकॉज एट दिस मोमेंट आई एम नॉट एबल टू ब्रिंग इट टू cot x, मतलब राइट हैंड साइड के साथ cot x plus 1 by sec x plus into cos x के फॉर्म में मैं नहीं लेके आ पा रही हूँ. So I am breaking the right hand side, simplifying it to bring at least to this left hand side level. So now we will again do the फ्रैक्शन एडिशन जैसे नॉर्मली हम लोग करते हैं, लेट्स डू दैट. 1 by cos x multiplied by 1 by sin x stays in the denominator. Now what can we write? Cos x plus sin x by sin x. अब मैं इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी, जो भी ये जो डिनोमिनेटर में जो कुछ भी है, इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, देन इट विल कम टू द टॉप. तो sin x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. What will stay at the end? In the right hand side, cos x multiplied with cos x plus sin x, right? Now if you look carefully, left hand side has been broken down to cos x plus sin x. Right hand side also broken down to the same cos x into cos x plus sin x expression. So now left hand side, since left hand side equal to right hand side, we can hence prove that these two expressions that are given are now equal, right? I can write like this. So this is how you can solve this kind of question. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to address them. Okay, let's start with question number 31. Let's read the question first. The question says a square dartboard has sections numbered from 1 to 12 as shown below. 1 to 12. Okay, this is a dartboard. Players have to make a prediction and throw a dart. They win if their dart lands on the section that matches their prediction. This is a different kind of game where if I predict and if according to my prediction my dart also lands, then I win the game. Arya says my dart will land on a composite number. Bashir says my dart will land on an even number. Kathy says my dart will land on a factor of 12. Calculate probability of each of their prediction occurring and determine who has the highest chances of winning. Show your work. Now, if you look carefully, this is a square board. This square board has been further divided into 4 smaller squares, right? And again, this smaller square, each smaller square has been further divided by a diagonal. But the area of this bigger triangle is same as the area of these two smaller triangles. We can see clearly. Okay, so if I join all this area of this bigger triangles, this is a square. And this area will be the same as if I join all the area of the smaller triangles. You know it properly. If you join all the smaller triangles, then also their area will also be the same as the area of this entire bigger triangles. Okay. So probability of landing of the dart landing on any of these bigger triangles is half, because the area is half. Similarly, the probability of landing on any of the smaller triangles or these smaller numbers is also half, because the area is half of this dartboard. So can I write now that probability of dart landing on big, I'm writing here, dart landing on bigger area, that is the inner numbers, is half because of the area. Now probability of similarly dart landing on any smaller area, this outside area, smaller numbers or smaller area is half. Looking at the dartboard only, we can understand, because it's said it's a square dartboard, then it is making it obvious that probability will be half. Now let's analyze Arya's statement. What has Arya said? Arya has said that my dart will land on a composite number. Now let's look at the bigger numbers here inside the bigger triangles. What are the composite numbers here? What is a composite number? First of all, any number which is not a prime number, which has got more factors other than itself and 1. Just again 9, 10 and 12. These are the composite numbers. 11 is a prime number, so it's not a composite number. So can I now write that probability of composite number, dart landing on a composite number will be, if I look at the inner triangles, then it will be 3 out of 4. Then I have to multiply with the area of this probability of the area of this triangle. The bigger triangle. So that will be half. Here I have written, I multiply with this. Now I will look at the smaller triangles and look at the numbers which are composite here. What are the numbers composite here? So let me write it down. The composite numbers here in the bigger triangle are 9, 10 and 12. Similarly, what are the numbers which are composite here outside? 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 I cannot consider as composite. 4, 6 and 8. Is there anything more? No. So it will be 3 by 8, 4, 6 and 8. 4, 6 and 8. And how many smaller triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So probability of dart landing inside will be 3 by 8 multiplied by the area. Probability of the area, half, right? According to the area, probability has become half. So I multiply with that. Now what will be the probability? Now I have to calculate totally. What it will be? 3 by 8 plus 3 by 16, right? Then 6 plus 3 by 16. It is 9 by 16. Total probability of landing on a composite number will be 9 by 16. First, we will find for Bashir and Kathy, and then we will analyze. For Bashir, let's look at the even numbers. He has said my dart will land on an even number. So let's look at the even numbers in the inside the bigger triangles. 10 and 12. No more. So probability of dart landing on even number, this is for Bashir, is half. Half is the probability of landing inside in the bigger triangles. Half, here I have written half multiplied by 2 out of 4, because how many even numbers are there? Even numbers inside 10 and 12. Even numbers outside are how many? 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 6 and 8. We have to keep this in mind while trying to find the probability for Bashir. So half into 10 and 12 will be 2. 2 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 by 4 plus half for the probability for the smaller triangles. Here I have written already. Half. So half multiplied with what? Half will be multiplied with the even number. Probability of landing on the even number which are outside. 2, 4, 6 and 8. 4. 4 numbers are there. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 by 8. Okay. Now we need to calculate half. Okay, I remove this. It will be 1 by 4. Cut. Cancel. Cancel out 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. It will be 2 by 8. So it will be 4. 2s are 8. 2 plus 2. So it is 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is how much? 1 by 2. This is the probability for Bashir to win. Okay, half. Now let's move to Kathy. Kathy says my dart lands on a factor of 12. Now let's look at the factors which are inside factor of 12, which are inside the bigger squares or triangles. Only one, 12. For that, there is only one. Now outside, what are the factors? 1. Right? 1 is a factor of 12. Any number will always have, whether prime or composite, will always have 1 as its factors. So 1, 2, 3 4s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 1 12s are 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 5, 7, 8 are not the factors. So inside how many factors are there? Outside how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. Outside these many factors, 5 out of 8, and inside there is only one factor, 1 out of 4. Probability. I'm discussing the probability. So let's write down for Kathy. For Kathy, how much it is? Probability. Probability of what should I write? Factor of 12. That's what she is saying. So half, again half, where we are getting this half, you know already, from the probability of dart landing on the bigger triangles. It's half because of the area being halved. So that multiplied with 12. 12 is the only number which is a factor of 12. 1 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 12 is there. So 1 out of 4 plus half of, we have already discussed, 5 by 8. Right? 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 8. Now let's calculate 1 by 8. This will become 1 by 8 in the denominator. Here also it will become 5 by 16. Okay, so I am turning the page to solve for Kathy. Kathy will be 1 by 8 plus 5 by 16. So let's find the LCM, 16. So it will come here 2 plus 5, it will be 7 by 16 for Kathy. Now let's write down for this thing, Arya, probability that we found, that is a composite number. Instead of Arya, I'll write the composite number. Probability of composite number for Arya, it's how much? It's 9 by 16. For Bashir, how much it is? Probability of landing on an even number, that is half. Probability for Kathy, it's probability of factor of 12, right? Factor of 12 is 7 by 16. Now here 9 by 16, 7 by 16, I can clearly see 9 by 16 is bigger. For this, let me convert it into an equivalent fraction. It will be 8 by 16 for Bashir. So which is bigger? Clearly 9 by 16, 8 by 16, 7 by 16. Arya's chances of winning are the biggest because her probability is 9 by 16. So Arya could be the most probable winner, right? Arya could be the most probable winner according to the probability. This is the answer for question number 31. If you have any issues understanding anywhere, please let me know in the comment section. Let's start with section D. First question in section D is question number 32. Question says, Sejal started a business where she sells earrings online. She made rupees 12,000 in sales in her first month. In the second month, when she decreased the price of a product by rupees 20, she sold 40 more items and increased the total sales by rupees 2,000. At what price did she sell the earrings in the second month? Show your work. Okay. So let's assume the number of earrings sold in the first month is X. Number of earrings sold in the first month be X. Then what will be the price per earring? Then price per earring will be in the first month. I'm talking about the first month. First month will be 12,000 by X, because 12,000 is how much she made in selling the earrings in her first month. So it will be 12,000 by X price per earring. In the second month, she decreased the price of a product by rupees 20. So now what will be the price in the second month? In second month, price per earring. Again, I am calculating per earring because she has decreased rupees 20 per earring. So price per earring that time will be 12,000 by X minus 20. This will be the price. New price for the second month. All right, revised price for the second month. She sold 40 more items. Okay, so 40 more items she has sold. So that means earrings total number of earrings sold. This question is not very difficult. Maybe the probability question of question number 31 is little difficult, but this one is not that difficult. So total number of earrings sold will be X plus 40, because X was the number of earrings sold in the first month. So definitely we need to add 40 to understand the number of earrings sold in the second month. Now what happens when she does this? Total sales increases by rupees 2,000. Means in the first month she got 12,000. So total revenue, or whatever it is, total revenue will be in the second month. It will be 12,000 plus 2,000. What does it amount to? Rupees 14,000 in the second month. Now if I multiply X plus 40, that is the total number of earrings sold in the second month, with the price per earring, then it should amount to rupees 14,000 as per the question. So let me write it down. 12,000 minus 20 by, this is 12,000 by X minus 20 multiplied with X plus 40. What is 12,000 by X minus 20? Price per earring, and X plus 40 total number of earrings. Now we know that what is the revenue earned. She has earned 2,000 more than the previous month. So definitely it is 14,000. So we equate this to, now we will start solving. This will become 12,000 minus 20X by X, X plus 40 equal to 14,000. Now I will send this x to this side. 12,000 minus 20x, x plus 40, 14,000x. All right. Now let's multiply all these terms. This will be 12,000x. 12,000 plus 12,000 into 40, that will be 48. 1 2 3 4 4 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros here and 4 zero here. 4,80,000. Then not plus, then it will be minus, right? Minus 20x square, minus 20x square and minus 800 equal to 14,000x. Now minus 20x square, here also there is an x which I have not written. Okay, so I'm writing it. Minus 20x square, then minus 800x plus 12,000x, then I'm bringing this side. 14,000 I'm bringing this side, so it will become minus 14,000x. Then constant term I'm writing at the very end, equal to 0. Okay, so minus 20x square, this will be 14,800. Minus 14,800, it's need to be subtracted, right? 14,800x plus 12,000x. Here there are integers with different signs, so definitely subtraction here. So let's do the subtraction in the next step. It will be minus 2,800x plus whatever the constant term. We are just repeating it. Now let's remove this minus 20 from everywhere. Minus 20 from everywhere. It will become x square, right? I'll subtract this x square. Now here if it gets subtracted, what will come here? Plus 140x. Then this side, if I do, I'm writing here equal to 0. If this side I do minus divided by minus 20, then it's 0. So I'm not writing this side. I'm dividing both the sides with minus 20, so that first the negative integer here gets removed, and also we simplify it. We remove the common factor. No need of this minus 20 common factor, which is everywhere. So here it will come minus. Now 3 zeros, because here 1010 get cancelled, and here I'll get 2400, right? Equal to 0. I have written the question, the quadratic equation again over here. Now let's apply x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. I'm taking first this plus term. So minus b will be minus 40 plus b square. B square is how much? 14 into 14, 196, and then 140 square. So it is 0 will come here. Minus 4 multiplied with a. A is what? 1 here. And c is 24,000. So 4 multiplied with minus 24,000. How much it will be? It will be minus 96,000 divided by 2. 2a. A is again here 1. So no need of writing here 1. Then minus 140 plus here again what it will become? It will become plus here. So 96,000 plus 19600. 19600. So what it will become? 600, 15, 11, right? 1,156 and then 2 zeros here, divided by 2. Now let's find out plus what. Now 1156 is the square of 34. So it will be 34, and then 100 is there, right? Multiplied with 100 means a 0 will come here, 10, divided by 2. So 340 minus 140 is 200. 200 divided by 2 is 100. Now I will only consider this 100, because if I take this minus here, if I take the minus sign here, then the answer will come in negative, which cannot be, because x is the number of earrings sold in the first month. So definitely x cannot be a negative integer. So x equal to 100. I got the earrings sold in the first month. Now let me see what is the question asking. At what price did she sell the earrings in the second month? So I have not reached my answer. I have just found the number of earrings sold in the first month. So here if I apply 100, I will get the total number of earrings sold in the second month, right? And then if I divide it with 14,000, that is the total money she earned in the second month, then I will get the price of each item or each earring. So let's do that. So total number of earrings sold in the second month, right? Second month. How much it is? X plus 40. We had written this expression before. So it will become 140. This is the number of earrings sold in the second month. In second month, what was the revenue? Revenue was 14,000. So price per earring will be 14,000 divided by 140. It is 100 rupees 100. We can approach and
question with a calm mind to answer it properly. So rupees 100 is the price per earring in the second month for this is the answer for question number 32, first option. That is another option which we'll attempt next.
So we'll do from the next question our next video. So if you are watching my channel, definitely you're liking all the videos that I'm posting. You're learning as well. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics to keep me motivated to post more such videos. And best of luck for your exams. Thank you.